All right, this is a quick little tip slash troubleshooting for the Mattress Firm 600 adjustable base, or it might even be a part number 4aw261, and then like the control box under it is made by Okin, and it might be a he200. Your model may vary, so this is just what I have and the troubleshooting tips that I have for you. So basically, if your remote's not working, you probably should unplug the base for about 3 minutes exactly. Basically, that is going to be the base cord that goes from your box spring or the base to the wall. Now, what I recommend doing also is once you plug it back up, go under there and verify that the programming light is on. There should be a pairing LED that should be on. If not, you can go under there and there is a reset button. You can use like a ballpoint pen or safety pin or something kind of long and pointy. Click it twice. If you click it twice, it will turn the light on. There's like a little indicator light, pairing light or something under here. There's pairing LED. Once that is on, you take your remote, you hold the head up and the flat button, and you hold that until that pairing light goes off. Once the pairing light goes off, you let it go. It should work. If it doesn't work, there's another option that could be going on. What my issue was is the child lock was on. So I'm going to show you what happens when the child lock is on. You hit the buttons and nothing happens. That was freaking me out. I pulled the batteries out of this thing for like 15 minutes. I reset it. I unplugged it. I did everything. And I guess when we were in our sleep, we held the child lock button because now I can adjust everything just like normal. Took me forever to figure this out. I mean, it was a nightmare. I can't tell you. So, if you're having troubles with your Mattress Firm, check your child lock. Probably common sense, but it is what it is. We all make mistakes. So, check it out. If you have any issues, you can always call these guys. But there is no information online on this thing whatsoever. If you want to pair one mattress remote, this is the instructions for that. You can pause if you need to read it. Here is the information for one remote, 2 bases. Pause if you need to, because I could not find this information anywhere, so I'm sure it's going to be helpful to somebody. And last page right here, press and hold instructions. And this is for separating 2 bases. And there's back to the one. Alright, y'all. Enjoy. Hope this helps somebody, because I wish I could have found it. It would have saved me a whole lot of trouble. Searched everything on the internet, couldn't find Jack. Alright.